Hello everyone, Springdale Senior Secondary School. I hope you all are good at home. Today we will learn in the class 5th, chapter 5, multiples and factors. Here, what are the meaning of multiples? It is nothing but multiples means it is a table of any number. Example, if you take 5, you have to do the 5 multiples with 1, 2, 3, so on. Example, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, and so on. Same like that, you will do this 7, 13, and 16 also. In the multiples, we will learn about the common multiples also. Now, try this. Write down the first 5 multiples of the following numbers. Here the question is 3. What is the multiple of 3 here? 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, and 3 6 is 18, and so on. But here he asked only 5 multiples. So you wrote here 5 multiples. Same like this 6 and 12 also. Now in this question, in this chart mark, you have to write this box shape on every multiple of 3 and mark this circle shape on every multiple of 4. What is the multiple of 3 here? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on. Here for the multiples of 3, you have to mark as this box, and you have to mark multiple of 4 in this shape circle. So what is the multiples of 4 here? 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on you will mark. Next, in the first question, he is asking here, based on the above chart, answer the following questions. What is the smallest multiple of 3? What is the smallest multiple of 3 here? 3 1 is 3. So 3 is the smallest multiple of 3. And second question is, what is the smallest multiple of 4? 4 is the smallest multiple. Next, write down the 3 common multiples of 3 and 4. 3 common multiples are, first you have to check it. Here 12 is the common multiples of 3 and 4. It means that it will come in 3 table also and it will come in 4 table also. Next 24, next 36. Next, what is the smallest common multiple of 3 and 4? The smallest common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. Here it will come in 3 table also and 4 table also. Next, what is the highest common multiple of 3 and 4? In this highest common multiple, highest means greater number. It is 96. It will come in 3 and 4 tables. So 96 is the highest common multiple. What is the first common multiple of 3 and 4, which is greater than 100? So let me write here 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, and 109, 110. Now the multiples of 3 is 102, 105, 108, and the multiples of 4 is 104, 108. What is the, here asking, what is the first common multiple of 3 and 4? Here 108 is the common multiple of 3 and 4. Now next one, write the smallest number of chart which is multiple of at least 2 numbers. Write those numbers also. What is the smallest number? 1 and 2 are the smallest multiples numbers. So answer is 1, 2. Which number is smallest multiple of 5 and 8? 5 and 8, what is the smallest number? 40 will be the smallest multiple number because it will come in 5 and 8 also. 8 5 is 40. Next, Exercise 5.1. Write down 4 multiples of given numbers. First question 4. What is the multiples of 4 here? 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. You have to multiply the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on with 4. Next, these questions you can do as homework because you have learned in last year in the class 4th only. Now, take only the multiples of given number. What is the first question? 3, 5, 9, 3, 13, 18. Here he is asking tick only the multiples of 3. So what is the multiple of 3 here? 9 is the multiple and 3, 18. These 3 are comes in 3 table. Then you can do this as homework. Next one. Tick those numbers which are common multiples of 3 and 4. 6 will come in 3 table. Yes, but in 4 table it will not come. 12 will come in 3 table as well as 4 table also. 15 will come in 3 table but not in 4 table. And 18 will come in 3 table but not in 4 table. 24 will come in both the 3 and 4 table. And here 30 will come in 3 table but not in 4 table. So answer is 12 and 24. It is the common multiples which will come in 3 and 4 tables. Now write the multiples of 7 which lies between 10 and 30. What are the multiples of 7 which lies between 10 and 30? You know that 7 2 the multiples of 7 which lies between 10 and 30 are 7 2s are 14. Yes, it is greater than 10. Then 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. Then 7 5s are 35. It will come greater than 30. So you have to take up to 28. Next, multiples. Next question is 5th question. You can do as homework. 6th one, find out the least common multiples of 2 and 5. Here first you have to do as multiple of 2. What are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Then multiples of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20. Here what is the common here? 10, 10, 20 here and 20 here. But he is asking the question that only you want least common multiple. So what is the smallest number? 10 is the least common multiple. So answer is 10. Next question you can do as homework. And in the 8th question, we have to find out the multiples of 6, multiples of 9 and multiples of 15. Here, what is the multiples of 6 here? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and 66, 72, 78, 84, 90. Next, in the multiples of 9, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and 9 11s are 99. Next, multiples of 15, 15, 30, 35, 60, 75, 90, 105. Now we have to find out the least common multiple which are common here. What are the common numbers here? 18, 18. But in the 15 table we are not having 18. Here we are having commonly 90. Here also 90 we are having in the multiples of 9. Here in the multiples of 15 we are having 90. So what are the common multiples?